So it's move out day for us.
Today we're fitting the track. It's our new track here.
It just had to come crumbling down.
She was old and neglected, so we cut her to bare holes and built her up from the ground with our blood, sweat and tears.
So follow our journey as we plan to sail her to new destinations and make lasting memories.
About to see the world in action.
How you show your dominance in a relationship.
So what's up peeps, and welcome to another episode of Sailing Lady Africa. Thank you to Exclusive Printing. Because of you we get to brand the boat and put the new name on and the badge and all of that stuff. We'll leave a link down in the description for all of you that are interested in putting some decals on your boat if you're around the PE area.
So thanks Dion for sponsoring up our decal. It looks sweet and it was a very emotional one for me, and Ricky cried but he didn't want me to film him. Because he's a baby.
And let's smash out another item.
So it's move out day for us. Just packing and stuff. But it's been intense. It's been intense sorting out everything that we needed to. And yeah, I think we've done well.
So here's us sorting out our storage container. And this stuff's been stored for a while now. Time to clear it all out. Get our sails out. They're all stacked in the back there. Get all of that out. And the life jackets and a whole bunch of lines.
The day had arrived to put on our name and I was so excited. Man, I'm so excited. Felt like this day was never gonna come.
I'm pretty stoked.
You're stoked. I'm stoked.
2 things left on the list and done.
Well, not done, we still got little cosmetic stuff.
Let's go as we sail.
Yeah.
But this is the big step. How are you feeling?
I'm so excited. I'm like ready. Oh, look.
Looks good.
That looks so cool. It's not even stuck on yet. Cue the tears in 3, 2, 1. Don't film me. Stop. Never thought this day was gonna be it.
So how does that thing stick? Is it on reverse?
No, actually just cut it on straight. But you see,
Oh, so you pull the underside
pull
out?
the backing off here.
Oh, okay.
And the tape that's in yours to keep everything in position so it doesn't move.
Okay, interesting. So you don't put soap or anything? No. So that's just for the amateurs?
No, yeah.
That's how I put it on. I put soap first to make sure that everything comes out.
Isn't that for stick-on tattoo?
That's how amateurs put stickers on.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh damn. Oh damn. It looks so good.
Bam!
Good color choices. Thanks again so much to Dion and the rest of the Exclusive Printing team for helping us out with our decal. It was a very special day for us.
Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that?
Pretty stoked.
Your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, singing starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops.
Then it was the other side's turn.
How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine.
So, okay, you can't even see it on the camera, but we've put this film over our door, so we got rid of that crappy plastic dirt that was on here already. And it's cool because you can see out, but no one can see in. Hello, Lorenzo.
Hello. Oh, looks fine.
So they've just installed that for us now.
Yeah.
How our door looks from the outside. Unhook it.
Got the little flap.
She's good. See, you can't see inside.
Today we're fitting the track. It's our new track here. I put it one screw to hold it in place. Then I'm just going to drill them all out, make sure that everything lines up nicely, and then I'll fit the new track gear on. So the car and the two stoppers with the traveler system. So the ones I got are like these. And what they are, they obviously a traveler system connected to the ends, so I don't need stoppers at the end. These get bolted in, and then that will act as the end stoppers with the main sheet car that has a traveler. So for those of you that are not familiar with it, this takes lines that go from here and allow you to move. This thing's called the car and moves from side to side, and that acts as the track. See? So, but I'll show you what it looks like for those that don't understand. Crucial now is passing the car onto the track without losing any of the balls that are in there, because it runs freely. So let's hopefully get it right first time. Now that's how I'm trying to run.
We had to do some gymnastics to bolt down our track.
To get that last one on, did you get the nut on the last one?
Can't get on. Such an awesome thing that happened to us, like putting our name on. You know, it just had to come crumbling down. Still very frustrating. Ricky's wallet got stolen, and it's one thing to take cash, but when you have cards and IDs and driver's license and all that stuff, it's just, to go renew that stuff takes forever. It's gonna take us like 3 days of just standing in queues to get IDs done and driver's license. The driver's license is a whole day in itself. That's what's happened, and we're busy running around trying to do that. Busy running around with getting our engines finished
And our registration, our survey needs to come, just make sure the hull is sound, get all our documentation ready. And yeah, so it's exciting. It's finally coming here now. It's like around the corner. So very excited, and it's gonna be so fun. I'm ready for this next step so badly. People saying like we look tired. We are tired. It's been a long journey, and yeah, we can't hide that we're not tired. We are freaking tired, but we gotta keep pushing. And sometimes we lose a lot of motivation to film and to work, but we remember why we started in the beginning, and that our rewards is going to be so sweet, and that we have people to share it with, because nothing's fun alone. Nothing's fun when you're doing it alone. It's fun when you get to share it with people and help other people experience maybe the same journey.
Done. Last two. Engine and water maker. About time we start up the engines and get this boat finished. Time to go sailing. It's December. Have a good relaxing December, hopefully. Not too many boat projects, just a few. And start sailing. So we sold our vehicle, as you guys know. And
well, I actually don't think they know. I think patrons know.
Yeah, I don't know if everyone knows, but we sold our Pajero, and we took that money towards the boat and we put it. So we got a rental car, really small, the cheapest we could find. It was, if you work it out in dollars, it's like $13 a day, literally what you're paying, so which is a really good price. And someone bumps our car, so hit and run. We make a police case, we finally find the person, and now the company that we rented from is charging us almost $2,000 in liability, even though the guy that bumped us agreed to fix everything. So we're just hoping that everything gets sorted out and that we don't have to pay this money. Yeah, hopefully that gets sorted out and we move on. And just, I think I'm about done.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below if you haven't already. If you'd like to support our production, you can do so by clicking on any of the links in the description below. And stay tuned till next week when we get our engines started and running. There's been a bit of a delay. Ricky is working full-time on other people's boats at the moment, so just bear with us until that's finished. And we're hoping to get our boats in the water now soon. We can start the next step of our adventure. So I know everyone's been waiting to see the engine started and waiting to see us go in the water, but we need to make money, and working is the way to do so. Cheers, have a good week.